So, the NovaPod Denture Cleaner is basically an ultrasonic and UVC cleaning device that claims to deeply clean dentures in just 5 minutes. The company advertises 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves, UVC sterilization, and claims of killing up to 99.99% of bacteria, but those claims deserve a closer look. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that the company itself doesn't present NovaPod as a medically evaluated product. Its website says its statements haven't been evaluated by the FDA and that results aren't guaranteed, so claims about protecting your overall health shouldn't be treated as established medical benefits. I'd also be cautious about the sales presentation. The company has used claims like clinical grade, dentist recommendations, limited time discounts, and large customer review numbers, while an advertorial has promoted a $79.99 offer with strong urgency around buying immediately. So, is NovaPod worth buying? Ultrasonic cleaning can be useful for dental appliances, but I'd compare the device's actual specifications, warranty, cleaning instructions, and price against established denture cleaning options before paying a premium. Overall, NovaPod may be a convenient cleaning gadget, but don't confuse its marketing claims with independent clinical proof. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.